Hello, how are you? Pure well. Today we will see how can we create a backup and migrate any of the WordPress website from one domain to another domain. Today we'll use all-in-one WP migration plugin for this migration process. This is my main domain where I want to transfer my site, and this is the site which I created newly, and I will transfer this site to this site. Okay. First of all, I'm going to my previous site, which site I want to migrate. Okay. I'm going to the plugin, add new plugin, and add the name of the plugin. All-in-one WP migration is already suggested for me. You can write this all-in-one WP migration, that it will come here, and I'm clicking the install now and activate it. Okay, it's already activated. You see, this is the plugin, and here is the plugin option. I'm going to export. Okay, export to, click here, and and there are many options that which format you want to export, and I'm clicking the file. I need a file for this website. It's processing the data to export. Okay, my file size is 149 MB. Okay, I'm clicking here to download this one. I'm closing this one and wait for the download. Okay, I'm already downloading the file, which is in my download file. Okay, now I'm going to the main domain where I want to set up this file. And here is I'm already download the all-in-one plugin, and I'm going to import here. And I'm using the pro version, that's why it's a maximum upload file size unlimited. And maybe if you use the free version, then you maybe have some limitations to upload the file. Okay, I'm going to import the file as file and importing this one. This site is in German language, that's why, and the language is different. It will take a little bit time to import properly. Okay, let's start to import the file. See, here is 3.36% and then 6.73%. It's taking a little bit time. You see, it's processing. It's still processing. It will finish now. Okay, it's finished, and it will take a little bit time to import all the files properly. Okay, and this is the proceed. I'm clicking here. Okay, done getting setting. Hope all is done here. Okay, let's complete it. Okay, if I reload this, it's now I can open this website with my previous site's login. I'm updating the WordPress database. Okay, now I need to log in here. With my previous domain login. Okay, here we go. Now we successfully log in our new transfer site. If we see this site, visit site, this is the same site which we create in this domain. You see that it successfully come with the same URL and everything is fine here. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any question, please write in comment section, and please like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.